Hello, dear students. How are you? I think you are well. Let me first introduce to you. I am MD Abdul Majid, Assistant Professor and Head of the Department of English, Daulatpur College, Kushtia. Today we shall read easy topics from English second paper, language part. The topics is pronoun referencing. I think you may have heard the name of pronoun. You know, pronoun is a word that is used instead of a noun, and these pronouns are of 8 classes. We know, number 1, personal pronoun, that means from person. It derives I, we, you, they, etc. Number 2, demonstrative pronoun, that means that demonstrates some noun, etc. That means these, that, those, these, etc. Number 3, relative pronoun, that relates, the pronoun that relates the other noun in the sentence. Who is, what, etc. Number 4, interrogative pronoun. An interrogative pronoun interrogates something by asks something. That means makes a question. What, who is, when, what, who is, and etc. And number 5, distributive pronoun, that means distribute something, divide something. That means is, either, neither, etc. And number 6, reciprocal pronoun, which is related to pronoun, that means more than 2 words, 2 nouns, when it is related each other, one another, etc. Number 7, indefinite pronoun, the pronoun that denotes something indefinitely, that means some, any, etc. And number 8, reflexive pronoun or emphatic pronoun. Reflexive pronoun derives from the pronoun by adding self or selves, as himself, myself, themselves, etc. However, in the exam paper, we may have found a passage or text. There will be some pronouns which is not clear in the passage, to whom it indicates. the previous nouns. We should have to select the proper noun or pronoun and put them in the proper place. And we have to write the whole passage and underline the word which we correct. It's very easy to get 5 marks in the exam paper. I think you should not worry to get the 5 marks from the pronoun referencing. It's very easy, and if you practice a little, I think you will find the full marks in the exam. Now we shall find out the pronouns. Class বেশি পরে কথা বলবো। I have written a passage or text on the blackboard. You can see, traveling is a part of education. Full stop. This means going from place to place. Full stop. One can enhance knowledge by going from place to place. Next, this gives one the opportunity to see the unseen and know the unknown. Some people are averse to traveling. This limits his vision. However, by traveling different parts of the world, my knowledge may be enriched. You can see the passage just like this in the exam paper. You have to read through the whole passage first and find out the pronouns in the passage, and you should write the proper or right noun or pronoun when you find the wrong or mistake pronouns in the passage. We shall again read the passage and try to understand and correct the pronouns. Traveling is a part of education. This means going from place to place. Dear students, here you can find a pronoun this. This is a demonstrative pronoun and plural number, but the verb is in the singular. And we have to know what does the word this indicate. We see that this means traveling. So we should have to write here eat or traveling. We should write the correct answer. Eat means this means eat or traveling. Eat oblique traveling. You know these. We have written eat or traveling instead of these. Number 1, and we have to underline the word. where we correct. Here, eat or traveling means going from place to place. One can enhance knowledge by going from place to place. Again, we can find this. This gives one the opportunity to see the unseen and know the unknown. Here, this means this gives. Here we can see here the wrong number. These and verb is singular gives. Here we should write this means again traveling. These we should omit these and write traveling. Traveling gives one the opportunity to see the unseen and to know the unknown. Underline it. Some people are averse to traveling. This limits his vision. What is this? This means this averse. We should write aversion. This aversion, aversion. Aversion, that means the noun form of averse. This aversion, we should underline it. This aversion limits his vision. His, to whom it indicate the people's vision or the traveler's vision. Here we should write the people's or the travelers. The people's vision. However, by traveling different parts of, underline it, of the world, my knowledge may be enriched. My knowledge. Whose knowledge? Our knowledge or the traveler's knowledge? We should write our or the travelers. Our knowledge instead of my. So, we have found 5. Eat, traveling, this aversion, the people's, and last our. These are 5 in number, and we have got 5 numbers in the examination paper. Understand? Okay, thank you. We should find another passage and try to understand the next passage. Thank you. Okay. Dear students, next we have another passage or text on the board, and we shall find the wrong or unclear pronoun in the passage and write the right answer and underline it. First, we should have to read the passage thoroughly and understand it clearly. Teaching is a profession. You know everyone, what is teaching? That means a teacher, the work of a teacher is teaching. Who is full of challenge? You find here the pronoun who. relative pronoun who, but it does not admit the noun teaching. It's not a person, it's a profession. So we should write who is instead of who. We should write who is. Now write, omit who is and write who is. Teaching is a profession who is full of challenge. We should understand, underline the word who is. Who is full of challenge. I want to be a teacher because you like working with children. Here you see the subject here is I, but we find another pronoun you, which does not adjust with the subject. Here we should write because I like working. That means I want to be a teacher and I like working with children. So we should write I instead of you. I, and underline it. I like working with children. But my father argues that one cannot make much money from it. My father argues. Argues with whom? With me. So we should write I instead of one. That means my father is talking with me, and here the object is me and the subject of the object me is I. So we should write I. My father argues that I cannot make much money. I. We should write I instead of one. I cannot make much money from it. It, you may write it or you may write teaching. Money, much money from teaching. From it or teaching. If you write the same word, it will be all right. And if you write teaching, it's another answer for us. He wants me to look after their farms. Here we find their. It does not adjust with he. Okay. So here there means his, my father's farm. He wants me to look after his farm. There means his farms. Instead, but this does not inspire me. This means it or looking after his farm. So we should write it instead of this and underline. We got who is number 1, I number 2, next I number 3, teaching number 4, his number 5, and it number 6. You may write any 5 of these answers. Okay, thank you. I think you have understood and be clear, and all of you will get 5 marks in the passage from this text and will carry a good result. you should not worry for the exam, and be very careful. We are suffering still from COVID-19, and we should not go out without mask. Rather we should stay home. Thank you very much. Next we should meet again. Best with you. No more today.